Korongtang inaugurates 10-bedded Ayush wing at Yoga and Nature Cure Center. Mongsangai lays foundation stone for 10-bedded integrated Ayush hospital at Konjenglekai. 229 persons loyal to BJP leader T.H. Chawla join Indian National Congress. Nambol MLA and Loken welcomes them. Discrepancies continue in distribution of rice under National Food Security Act. Locals stop distribution of rice in Uripok while sit in stage at Singjamai. Management of Residential Kids Care School Langol Village rubbish reports that Thongbram Suresh died of torture. Appeals maximum punishment for the culprit. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangma Monica bringing you the top stories. Health, Family Welfare and Ayush Minister D. Korongtang inaugurated 10-bedded Ayush Wing Yoga and Nature Cure Center at Mongsangai under Nauria Pakanglapa Assembly Constituency. Speaking at the function, Minister Korongtang said the government aims to provide medical facilities in all the corners of the state, and for this many steps have been taken up. Minister appealed to doctors, nurses and all the staff of Medical Directorate to provide service-maintaining ethics to develop the health sector. Speaking on the frequent ban and blockades in the state, Minister Korongtang termed it unfortunate as it is creating hurdles in the development of the state. Directorate of Ayush Director Dr. K. Lokendro and Nauria Bakanglapa Assembly Constituency MLA R.K. Anand, among others, attended the function.
Ban nama tahu deh hanya dah bagi lama mau ina adum ureba. Ban tahu dah pasti seriousness so adum mangsila pokon toy. Aru bagi orang so, arai bagi orang so. Ban tahu apa sih? Tudong na mi mayam sih na kari kita mak kau ban nama sih. Hanya dreba, hijilu dreba. Doktor sih na nak kena yana kiba, aduk matu ina nak kena thabak cang mada yana kiba do. Madu ke principle do nak nasat pi kada bani. Nurse sih na yana kiba do ke principle dah nak nasat kada.
Minister D. Korongtang laid the foundation stone for the 10-bedded integrated Ayush hospital at Konjenglekai under Nauria Pakanglapa Assembly Constituency. Speaking at the function organized by Directorate of Ayush, Minister Korongtang said there is a need for people's support to make Ayush Directorate successful and popular in the state. He said the deadly disease Japanese encephalitis was curbed by the medicine of Ayush Belladonna 200. Attending the event, Nauria Pakanglapa Assembly Constituency MLA R.K. Anand appreciated the department for laying the foundation stone for 10-bedded Ayush hospital in the constituency and for inaugurating a hospital in the constituency. The MLA said people of his constituency fully support the Ayush Directorate.
Nasi foundation tauriba asi materialize tonona bagdamakta public cooperation darkale. Masiki importance asi khangan geradi koi directorate na hekta A to Z sungam ngamoy public singsina thaja baji thamiba cooperation piba madukakta materialize tawgadabani department side tagisu leiriba praja singsina su amat toina khutsamnaraga horna bada masingsi mapung phaba ayush ki directorate ama leihanba integrated ayush hospital asi semgat pada sagat pada mateng pangbirkada masigisi masi kana basi mayam phangmina si.
Nambol MLA Namarapam Loken welcomed the workers of BJP leader Thaunawjam Chawla who have joined Congress today at a function held at the office of Nambol Block Congress Committee. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Loken said there is no question of any of the 48 Congress MLAs leaving the party, and BJP's claim of getting majority and forming the next government is impossible. BJP will hardly get 2 or 3 MLAs. 229 persons from 24 villages under Nambol constituency joined Congress today. Those who have joined Congress stated that the main reason for joining Congress is because BJP is indulging in dividing Manipur and show no interest in implementing ILPS in the state.
Congress tadi ini bayang macam mana? Saya siapa yang nasibnya nulis tadi, Bharatiya Janata Party ni, ada memiuai sina, amat Manipur di prajana, kami lo nasida Congress lagi MLA ni pun ipar lagi masih party, anda tertadoga, ada Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP dah, amat terjaloi, ada maram orang kanda BJP सरकार से मिलाया था सिंह मचूर तंदा पुल्लगा एमएलए बड़ी मना का बनता मणिपुर में कोई साथ हो कोई तो
Distribution of rice under National Food Security Act (NFSA) at Uripok Khoisnam Lekai was stopped by angry locals. It was found distributed by other persons instead of an agent. The concerned agent said she has no idea regarding the distribution of rice when the agent was questioned regarding the incident. The rice were distributed under the Act to the beneficiaries of 4 localities of Uripok Panchayat Maning Centre, including those families who have no NFSA cards. The angry locals stopped the distribution of rice after less rice were distributed to the beneficiaries and to the people who were not holding NFSA ration cards. Chaos prevailed after the concerned agent K.H. Soro Devi was called for a talk regarding the matter. Locals today held a sit-in at Singjamai Okram Lekai Machin along the National Highway at Singjamai Assembly constituency. The locals were protesting against the swindling of rice under National Food Security Act by unknown persons. One of the protesting women said the NFSA rice for the month of March are yet to be distributed and the locals will continue agitation until the rice are distributed to them. Meanwhile, locals of Kaisampat Lemajam Lekai under Kaisamthong Assembly constituency holding AAY, BPL and APL cards today clarified that PDS rice were distributed for the months of January and February. It may be recalled that yesterday some locals of Kaisampat Lemajam Lekai staged a sit-in claiming that rice were not distributed for the month of January and February. PDS agent informed media persons that rice was not allotted for the month of March. Rice under the National Food Security Act were distributed to the locals of Kaisampat Lemajam Lekai at polling station 12/6 and 12/7. Lemajam Lekai Development Committee informed that rice will be distributed to other families turn by turn. The opposition party Bharatiya Janata Party is all geared up for the upcoming state general election. BJP today launched election campaign for Langtabal constituency for the state general election expected to be held early next year at Lilongchajing. President of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Manipur Pradesh Pukramam Samorjit, who is likely to contest as BJP candidate for the constituency, said BJP will definitely form the next government after the 2017 general election. He said Langtabal constituency is lagging behind in every aspect as people of the constituency have been sending opposition MLAs in the assembly. Somorjit also added that if BJP party chooses him as the candidate, he will contest, and if not, he will support whosoever the party chooses as candidate. Thokchom Satyabhatta, BJP Manipur Pradesh State Executive Member and who is likely to be the BJP candidate for the Yaiskul Assembly constituency, said it is high time that people of the state took individual responsibility to make a better society. Thokchom Satyabhatta made this statement at the Yaiskul BJP members and sympathizers Ward Committee meeting organized by Ward Committee, Ward number 14, Yaiskul Assembly constituency at Moirangkom, Saugaizam Lerak in view of the upcoming general election. Speakers at the meeting said the constituency lags in every sphere and Congress government have not taken enough work at the constituency. Speaking at the meeting, Satyabhatta said Congress government is unable to fulfill the dreams of the people. He said Kuki and Naga tribes want to break away from the state. On the other hand, there is total chaos in the valley due to the cancellation of DPC of 2013 constable candidates. He said the leaders are unable to stand by the people who have elected them. Was held at Nauria Pakanglap Assembly constituency to elect a competent leader for the next 5 years. The rally, which began from Hyangthang ground October, marched towards Fura Makong and culminated at Mekola, where a public meeting was held. The rally was organized by Kendra Committee Nauria Pakanglap Assembly constituency. Speaking to media persons, BJP Manipur Pradesh Executive Member Dr. S. Manauton said the constituency is lagging behind compared to other constituencies. He said the road condition and the hospital needs development. Dr. S. Manauton said the people of the constituency needs to elect a leader who can bring about a change. Veteran politician and former Langtabal MLA Okram Joy today during a visit to Haibok Hill asserted that Haibok Hill will be developed into a major tourist attraction by keeping a tourist destination at the historically significant Haibok Hill. A project was submitted to Ministry of Forest and Environment in 2012 and began to develop the hill as tourist destination but did not take off very well. Ojoy also appealed to the people of the area to extend support. Former MLA Ojoy also inspected half-a-kilometer stretch at Khongnang Phaidekpi, which is in deplorable condition, and Hairang Goithong to Kanchipur Road, and assured of blacktopping the road at the earliest. A joint committee called BJP Lamlai Development Committee was formed for the polling station 8/17, 8/18 and 8/19 polling stations of Lamlai constituency. A meeting held at Lamlai Hairong Khombi Community Hall resolved that BJP High Command to fill Mongjam Porei Hanba Maitai as the party candidate from the Lamlai constituency. The meeting was attended by Lamlai Municipal Council Chairperson R.K. Memi, BJP Manipur Pradesh Executive Member L. Basanta, among others. Irabot month observed in view of the 120th birth anniversary of Jananeta Hizam Irabot began today at Tera Lokrakpam Lekai Nainasang Club, organized at Irabot Celebration CPI Patsoi Local Council under the aegis of CPI Manipur State Council. MU retired Professor I.S. Kangcham, Patsoi Zilla Parisat member T.H. Tumanta and CPI Manipur State Council Secretary Dr. M. Nara and Deputy Secretary L. Sotin Kumar spoke on the life and contributions of the great leader. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Lengsin birau Thangmaiban DM College Road Talaiba Eastern Suzuki da Fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic singna ningthina service piriba servicing center ki khudong chaba amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani loinana irai laina loan loba yabagi khudong chaba su pizari ngasi maglengsin birau Eastern Suzuki Thangmaiban DM College Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The management of the residential kids care school Langol Village, Zone 2, today rubbished the media reports that Tongbram Suresh died after he was tortured by the school authority for not paying fees. The reaction comes from the management 2 days after residential kids care school was vandalized by angry locals in the evening of September 2. Speaking to media persons, school management in charge W. Chaithaimai said the school authority condoles the demise of Tongbram Suresh, a class 6 student of the school, and demanded maximum punishment for the culprits. Chaithaimai said it is unfortunate that some unknown people threatened teachers on gunpoint and vandalized the school. He appealed all not to put ban on the school in the interest of the other students. It may be recalled that Tongbram Suresh from Bishnupur to Pokpi Ward number 2 died on the 27th of last month.
School ki authority na school fee pi dabagi mabu torture tawe asidi akoi site gi di yaning de asidi false allegation ni student atop school fee pi daba sing chul lei adu hoida koina nongma phabu exam lakpa matam da su detain tawu su leite exam adum appear to hole ma basu adu guma ma gi previous school life asida student present student makti natre the previous school life matam da adu guma ma on the ill treatment to gi basu leite.
New broad gauge railway line to pull to Imphal affected Landowners Welfare Association today slammed the authority concerned for the differences in the amount compensated for the affected land. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, President of the association Abhuzam Nimai said 13 villages are affected by the Tupul to Imphal railway line. But there is a huge difference in the amount compensated for Urembam, Changangai and Malom and other 10 villages. Money for resettlement and rehabilitation has also been given for the 10 villages but not for the 3 villages. Nimai added that memoranda have been submitted to Chief Minister, Revenue Minister and other authority concerned regarding the matter, but nothing has been done yet and warned of banning all works related to the project if the matter is not resolved within 10 days.
Kuntara mana saung na pikre kulom mana pik na pire kulom sidi hoji station woidna mayamgi naibam oidoriba mafamni numit tarani gi manungda sarkarna fajaba miyeng biraktargadi akoi makhal makha kyagi khongjang jingselakani railway station sigi thabak thorom sarpa kwalpal semakpa matamda akoina makhal makha kyagi athingba thamduna ko mayamda thawk suda tikadar singda kaida akoina athingba laigani haina khongjari.
All Manipur PHED Worker and Employee Association today warned authorities that the vacancies for the 220 post of Assistant Engine Operator and Technical Jugali in the PHE department notified on August 24 will not be acceptable. Speaking to media persons at Tera Yengkom Lerak Machin, Association President Sapam Samungau said, first, the government have to regularize and reinstate 176 employees who are on casual master roll, 888 employees who are on work charge, 40 employees who have not received salary for the past 10 years, and 314 employees who were removed from the job by the officer committee 10 years ago. The association threatened to take out intense agitation in case the government fails to fulfill their demands.
Sahi tara muki mabangda thabak lokthok bikraba casual masrol sohunga tara mari se regular tahan biro aduga regular tahalaba matungda makhoi gi darkar leba post masing adu lobiu karigumba haibo wafam sida department ngami adana loksan ba khosan ba tawluk taragadi makata ba thabak honorable court abu salabasu natragi strike kuma tawlabasu adugi to tungda khoi madu lokthok sarki.
Young Citizens Social Club Hauba Marak Kangjam Lekai and Hauba Marak Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj under the aegis of Krishi Vigyan Kendra Imphal today organized a one-day awareness program on the diseases caused by Parthenium hysterophorus, commonly known as Congress grass or carrot grass, at the premises of Young Citizens Social Club. Program coordinator of KVK Imphal Dr. K. Medhabati stated that carrot grass not only causes harm to crops but also causes allergy, fever and asthma to human beings. Indian Psychiatric Society Manipur State Branch organized the 16th Manicon 2016 at Classic Grande today. Speaking at the function, Indian Psychiatric Society Manipur State Branch Secretary Dr. R.K. Lenin said those people who have psychiatric disorder cannot be solely treated by a doctor. Dr. Lenin said mob justice is also one of the causes for psychological problem to many of the people. A panel discussion on mob justice, mob psychology was also held as part of the function. Imphal Obstetrics and Gynecology Society, Manipur and Mayor Vita Biotics yesterday organized a public awareness campaign, Go Folic, at Hotel Classic. The awareness campaign was organized with an aim to prevent birth defects by having folic acid supplement before and during pregnancy. A scientific symposium on prevention and management of birth defects and a panel discussion was also held as part of the campaign. The panel discussion was moderated by Dr. Santosh Kamakar, pediatric surgeon, Lilavati Hospital, Mumbai, and founder of Spina Bifida Foundation. Secretary of Imphal Obstetric and Gynecology Society, Dr. James Ilangvam, stated that if married women take regular folic acid supplement 3 months before pregnancy, 80% of birth defects such as neural tube defects, congenital birth defects, cleft lip and palate can be prevented. Herbalife Center Club of Imphal area today observed National Nutrition Week at Dharmalaya Social Welfare Center, Brahmapur, Nahabam. Earlier, participants at the event took out a rally under the banner Fun Run from Singjamai Market to Brahmapur, Nahabam. Herbalife Associate Member Salam Bhimo said nutritious food and exercise are required to prevent ourselves from diseases in today's sedentary lifestyle. The 6th Kanglai Khutpai 2016-17 AD of Kanglai Park Calendar Boat Imphal was today launched at a function held at Manipur Press Club. Commissioner Revenue and Arts and Culture K. Radhakumar, Padma Shri R.K. Jalajit and President of Kanglai Park Calendar Boat Imphal Khudong Mayum Mani, among others, attended the event. The 5-day Manipur Male Weavers and Transgender Production Show Come Expo concluded today. The expo was organized jointly by Lamjing Thawan Association, Marup Loi Foundation, State Society for Male Weavers, Artisans and Entrepreneurs Manipur at Brahmapur Nahabam Community Hall from August 31. Expo convener Ningthauzam Umar said the expo was organized with an aim to promote male weavers and boost economy of the state. 19 stalls were opened in the expo, profiting more than 50,000 rupees. He said in case there was no ban or blockade, then the profit could have been more. Art and Culture Director Dr. K. Susila, Government Consultant Retired IAS Dr. R.K. Nimai and MEX Joint Director Abhiram Mongjam, among others, attended the function. A felicitation ceremony was held today at Langthabal Sporting Club, Langthabal Mantrikong, for successful candidate of NEET UG 2016 Medical Sumanta Chani Oinam and Ushakiran Thokchom. Memento certificate and cash award were given to Sumanta Chanu Oinam and Ushakiran Thokchom. The 11th inspiration episode of Dynamic Manipur was held today at MIMS Department, Manipur University, under the theme Women's Power in Sports, Opportunities and Challenges of Being an International Player. Boxer and Arjuna awardee Sarita Laishram, Olympians Bombelea Devi Laishram and Susila Chanu narrated their experiences during the event. Students from various educational institutes participated in the event. Manipur's Sepak Takraw team left Imphal today to participate in the 20th Junior Sepak Takraw National Championship, which will be held from September 9 to 13 at Karnataka's Devangari ASB Indoor Stadium. All Manipur Sepak Takraw Association President flag off the team at Laibham Kuno Youth Development Association office. The team comprises 15 boys and 12 girls who will compete in different events. The P. Durjit, N.G. Rakeshwar and P. Ranjit are the coaches, while Y. Ibochoba and N.G. Paris are the team managers. All Manipur Sepak Takraw Association T.H. Braja Bidhu and P. Sundar are the officials. Players who will take part in the 29th National Yogasana Championship 2016 will be held at Howrah Corporation Stadium from September 10 to 12, and their well-wishers sought blessing at an event held at Karakhong Community Hall, Kongba Khetri Lekai. Secretary of Nature Care and Z Yoga Hospital Dr. Basanta stated that it is a proud moment to have players from the state taking part in the national level championship and wished the players for their success. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Korongthang inaugurates 10-bedded Ayush wing at Yoga and Nature Cure Center, Mongsangai. Lays foundation stone for 10-bedded integrated Ayush hospital at Wanjeng Nikai. 229 persons loyal to BJP leader T.H. Chauba join Indian National Congress. Nambol MLA and Lokan welcomes them. Discrepancies continue in distribution of rice under the National Food Security Act. Locals stopped distribution of rice in Uripok while state sit-in at Singapore. Management of Residential Kids Care School Langol Village rubbishes reports that Tongbram Suresh died of torture. Appeals maximum punishment for the culprit.